So I wanted to take a minute to videotape something. Bought a new Elcometer off of Amazon that is pretty cool, and was testing it. Today's date is the 21st of October 2019, approximately 9:44 p.m. at night. Something's very odd. So this is the driver's side, Mercedes Metris. So the driver's side, A post, registers 3976, 3130, we go up the post a little bit, 38307, go all the way up, 3646, another 3807, another 45, get the top of the door, 4055, 3976, 4055, 3717. Notice the driver's side fender will take measurements. 4291, 4134, 4094. I asked Mercedes from the get-go if this vehicle had been wrecked because I believe there's an excessive amount of body dust inside the cab I found since day one. And the sales manager told me, super nice guy in Virginia, said no, it's not been wrecked. You measure the passenger side, it won't even measure. It won't even measure. Okay? Oh, so it took one there. So 5709. Won't measure it all there. Won't measure there. There. A post passenger side. Won't even measure. Won't even measure. Okay. Come up the post. Same thing, won't measure. Won't measure up the post. Question becomes is why is it doing that? One spot on this door I found I can get, possibly, nope. So I can't even get the door. Like it won't even measure. The question becomes is why is that the case? Okay, go down on the door. You can see it'll do a 3.937. But above the body line, it won't do nothing, which I think something's been repaired above this body line. Okay, so now I got a 4.48 right here. Okay, nope, got a 6.8. Got a 4.134. All right, so it stops. So if I go towards the front of the door, nothing. Got a 4.173. Go into the fender, right? Nothing on the fender, go down low. Nothing on the fender. Now I go down low enough, I can get a 4.0055. I get a 3.925. I go to the edge, I get a 4.016. But if I go up, 4.173. So it's weird, it's like it's hit and miss. So I can get something low, get a 4.094, I go up, I get a nothing. Question, I got a 555, 551. Seems like there's more thickness on this side than there is on the other side. And I can't even get readings. So again, back to the passenger driver's side. So you can clearly see I can get right into the lamp. 3976, 4016. I just can't get the passenger side. So it leads me to believe something was damaged either at the factory and they've covered it up. Can't get anything. Up, I got a 6. So you clearly see there's a lot more, there's like hardly no readings on this side, and then once in a blue moon you'll hit something. Question becomes, what is that?